Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. Today our topic is garlic. Let's discover together the wonderful benefits of garlic. Garlic, the pungent bulb, has flavored our foods and treated ailments for centuries. From the pyramids of Egypt to ancient China, civilizations have recognized garlic's power. Today, modern science confirms what our ancestors knew. Garlic is a true superfood. Beyond its culinary uses, garlic offers powerful health benefits. Its active compound, allicin, is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, giving it its characteristic aroma and medicinal properties. Let's explore the incredible health benefits of this everyday ingredient. Garlic has long been hailed for its ability to ward off colds and infections. Turns out, there's scientific evidence to support this age-old belief. Studies show that garlic can stimulate the activity of white blood cells, the body's natural defense system against infections. Research suggests that regular garlic consumption may reduce the frequency and severity of common colds. One study found that people who took garlic supplements were less likely to get a cold, and if they did, their symptoms were milder and shorter-lived. Include garlic in your diet to give your immune system a helping hand. High blood pressure, a silent threat, affects millions worldwide. Garlic has shown promise in naturally lowering blood pressure levels. Studies suggest that garlic's sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, can relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing pressure on the arteries. Research has demonstrated that garlic supplements can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support healthy blood pressure levels. Section 4. Garlic's potential in cancer prevention. Emerging research suggests that garlic may play a role in cancer prevention. Studies indicate that garlic's sulfur compounds may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce their self-destruction. While more research is needed, the initial findings are promising. Garlic's protective effects have been observed in various types of cancer, including stomach cancer, colon cancer, and prostate cancer. Including garlic in your diet can be a delicious way to potentially reduce your risk of these diseases. Section 5. Heart health and the wonders of garlic. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death globally. Garlic's heart-healthy benefits are well documented. Studies show that garlic can reduce cholesterol levels, prevent plaque buildup in arteries, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Research indicates that garlic supplements can effectively lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. These effects contribute to a healthier heart and a reduced risk of heart attacks and strokes. Make garlic a part of your diet to keep your heart healthy and strong. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.